Alright, good morning mga ka-UCM, and we are here at UCM Country Club at ginaganap natin ngayon ng ATV and UTV Camp Out for the first quarter ng taon.
Hey, hey. You ain't stopping me. Hey, hey. Step aside, motherfucker.
The purpose of this ATV and UTV Camp Out, of course, number one is to unite the community itself of ATV, UTV riders, incorporated dyan with the campers and overlanders.
That's me.
They can enjoy not just car camping, overlanding, but also the ATV and UTV ride. They can also enjoy good food. Then at the same time, makakapag-relax and chill sila kasi itong UCM Country Club may sariling river.
I said 23.
Alright, we thank everyone sa mga umattend ng ATV and UTV Camp Out at sa mga susunod nating event. Samahan nyo kami, especially this coming May, ang ating Unity Ride 4. And of course, here at UCM, it's always recreations and beyond.
Meron tayong destination, meron tayong pupuntahan na river and falls.
First time trying ATV with UCM. Very fun and exciting experience.
Sobrang saya, bitin.
Sobrang adventure kasi hindi madali yung trail and sobrang saya nung bonding and samahan namin.